Voice care is a concern amongst the teaching profession because it's linked with a significantly higher rate of voice impairment related issues. The reason this happens is due to the huge number of varied vocal tasks in sometimes challenging environments, which means that teachers find themselves having to tense and strain their voices for a lot of their day.
Here at Dixons Trinity Academy in Bradford, Sharon delivers vocal health workshops to all of our teaching staff. You don't realise maybe, but teaching is very, very strenuous on the voice.
Today I'm delivering a vocal health workshops to a group of newly qualified teachers. They want to be able to use their voices without strain in the classroom, so we're going to be looking at specific strategies to help save their voices when they're delivering their lessons.
Sharon delivers not only to experienced teachers but to new trainee teachers as well, so that they can learn how to project their voice in a healthy manner rather than picking up bad tips that need fixing afterwards. Sharon works with the whole staff in whole staff CPD and also with smaller groups, as today with our initial teacher training students. The work that the teachers do with Sharon has a really, really big impact on not only their teaching but also on their absence or lack of absence. Teachers are finding that they can sustain their vocal health better, and it doesn't lead to vocal problems where teachers lose their voice. We've found as a whole, as a school, it really does help, not only in secondary but also in primary too.
Today we're going to look at voice physiology, so that's talking about how the voice works. Then we'll move on to warming up and cooling down strategies to be able to impart that within their daily routine. And then we'll finally look at those moments when they do need to project their voices safely, finding the best ways, those strategies to help protect their voice in those moments.
I can highly recommend Sharon to come and work in any workplace, not just teaching. If you use your voice at all, it does need that vocal health care. Sharon can really, really help.